Alright, so let me show you real quick why on your Ford Super Duty this EATC module will only work momentarily when you move the selector switch to either park or auto lamp. Okay, and then it'll work, you know, momentarily. However, it will go back off. Let's turn the switch off. She's off. She's not working. Okay, well, I looked on the internet, couldn't find it, so I said I better make a video on this. What do these have in common? Well, this switch is going to turn on the instrument illumination circuit, circuit 19. We are back probed into that illumination circuit wire. That'll be pin 14, light blue with a red tracer. So when you turn that switch on, it sends current to this wire, waking this module up for a second and shutting it back off. That should not be the case. This module has its own powers and grounds, you know, so it should not need this little illumination circuit to, you know, make it run for a second. It needs a new module, you know, if you want to get down to it real quick. But let's see, do just a couple little tests here I can show you. This is on that wire. You can see that it goes up to battery voltage. I also have a power probe hooked up, and I can show you without the lamp on park or auto that this will function. So we'll just send it power here, and there we go. All the illumination comes on, and that works. Alright guys, hope that helped. I'll see you next time.